Hi everybody. Of course, as part of the summer, I love to try out different drinks. It just kind of makes summer taste a whole lot better. So I just found this wonderful drink. It is a blackberry lemonade mocktail, meaning it's good for the entire family. For this recipe, you will need some Izzy blackberry sparkling juice, lemonade, ginger beer, fresh blackberries, and fresh lemon wedges. You start out by filling your glass with ice. Now, you're going to add your Izzy sparkling juice blackberry, 3 ounces of that. Next, pour in 3 ounces of lemonade and top it off with 1 ounce of ginger beer. Now, you want to garnish it with fresh blackberries and fresh lemon wedges. And of course the kids love it, and it's made with Izzy, which is made with sparkling juice. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Be sure to share this video with your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.